Hey, so in this video, I'm going to share with you how I get those and the copies. And first of all, I build the whole strategy, the ICP and offer everything all lined up. And then I'm sharing with you the copies and the workflow I created. And the copies, I created around 5 copies, and those two from one of my teammates. But we have around 7 copies and one follow-up which have 3 variants of the follow-up, and in the copies we have very great offer as risk reverse as well as risk reversal, and we are testing that as well, uh, as well as this is our best performing email copy in that campaign. I get this template idea from Nick Ibrahim post, one of his LinkedIn posts. And this is about the copies, and let me show you about the workflow where I build the all things and personalizations, everything. So those data we are getting from Apollo, and for database ICP, we are targeting marketing agencies who serve services, local businesses. So they have their ICP. Their ICP will be local businesses and they will be marketing agencies. And we are targeting small ones, 2 to 15 employees count, not the big ones, but we are targeting small ones. And here first of all we find domains if not available. Uh, we find company name is not available if not available, but in this case mostly is available. Then we do offer confirmation. This is where we find the ICP. If we here we will check if it's ICP fit or not. So here you will see how you find out if it's marketing agency is doing helping local businesses. If no, just return 2, which is false. If yes, then return 1, which is true. If it's 1, then it should be true. Yeah. Once it's qualified, then we find the company description. If not available, if available, then cool. And then we also do title verification, seniority verification, but in this campaign I not run it, so we don't have to use it. We don't have to. Then we have email verification. Here we do email verification and all the information, and then run the write to table. So if it's valid, we send them to a main table as well as the this one. If it's not valid, then we send this one to find another email names table. So here we are running email waterfall to find out it. So if email is not available, then here we are finding the person email. Also, we are finding the person other employees, that company other employees, like other 3 employees, and check if it's not duplicate and send to them to another table which find their email address, their new employees, what we get, and then find those new employees email addresses and send to them main table. And here's the main table where all data comes. So okay, so here is the main table. In the main table, we find all the information. If made it missing, we do lookup column to find all the information, and then the company normalizations, company name normalizations, and here's the kicker. Here, what I am doing is to find out the teammate name because we have multiple contacts in one table. So we there we found let's there we do lookup in that table where I am right now. In that table, we have for the codes of same company. So we have multiple employees per company in that table. So we use lookup and find out the teammate name. Okay. Oops. teammate name, teammate title, and it is short form of the teammate name. And the good thing is they are 100% their teammate because they have verified emails as well. So and those enrichments, but I not run it. I'm showing you what I run in that campaign. So we have normalized title, we have service. So here I am finding their channel services, what they offer ads, paid ads, SEO, marketing. So not going very deep, but channel services to mention in our copy, lead gen, branding, reputation, and then then I scrap the all the all the LinkedIn post, not only the latest one, LinkedIn post, and here I have AI to actually describe, and in some of them you will see NA because the AI I have guide the GPT not mention anyone if it's not related to us, like if it's something like happy birthday, so don't mention not mention NA, not create the PS line. If it's relevant to little bit about marketing and those type of things, then select the ammonium gas study, hiring, progress, workflow systems, something like that, then the back PS line. And after that, we add to our smart lead campaign and we run it and we got those results. Hope it's helpful. That's everything it. Thank you.